marriage is necessary, but it is our choice. And let me give you one unpopular opinion which is also going to be controversial. Marriage only benefits men. Can you give one instance where marriage benefits women in our society or in Kerala or in India? One instance where marriage benefits men. It doesn't. It simply doesn't.
Why do you say that it does not benefit women?
It doesn't. How?
But how do you state this that it does not at all benefit it?
It doesn't. Okay, tell me one good reason why I should believe that marriage benefits
You
women.
are stating the statement so that you have the like your argument should be supported by some kind of examples.
That,
But if I
okay.
don't get
If you want to, disagree with me, give me what, like as I asked, give me one good example to believe. That is my belief. I'm not saying it doesn't. That's my belief.
the family system.
How does it benefit women?
See, for women who are from economically weaker section, marriage can actually benefit them economically. But physically, emotionally, physically, if you see, we can't put 100% into it. It actually benefits men.
So can we alternate marriage with education? Because the only need for women is, if it's the only need of marriage for women is financial stability, can't we just alternate the whole thing to education, provide them good education, provide them good opportunity for jobs, and then live their own. And if they want to get married, get married. Marriage is not a matter there. If they want to get married, they should get married, as I said. But if the only benefit women get from marriage is financial, why can't they just given proper education and opportunity to do jobs, to work?
So you choose to be unmarried in life.
No.
So now seeing other people married, having kids, don't you think that you also will be wishing to have kids? Then what would you do? You will give your safe
I didn't choose to live. That was not at all in my hands. I am here because I was born, but it was, I don't consider to be born. I don't consider that, oh, it's a very good thing, oh, I born. No, I simply exist because I was born, and that's not work. That wasn't under my control. And I can choose to not, I had consequences, I experienced consequences of that decision. I am surviving in this life, and I have to survive every day to live. And whatever, if I have physical, I am diabetic, that is consequence of that decision. I didn't choose. So what if I don't want to pass that?
If everyone thinks like that, there is no women evolution.